Hello everyone, welcome back to Space Engineers. So something occurred to me just as I was starting this, which is that my gravity is really high, which is probably why I was dying so easily in the last couple episodes. If you notice down in the bottom right now it says gravity is 1.0 G, which I'm assuming G stands for gravity, and if I move over here, it becomes a 2. So I'm definitely going to assume that is why I died so much in the last episode, because I did set up that extra gravity generator. So, I'm going to see if I can tweak it a little bit. Right now, I've got the gravity. Let me see how far this gravity goes real quick. I've already done this. Oh, hold on. Hold on, get back up there. I've already seen how far it goes, but I want to double check. Alright, so I want this to only go to about where the solar panel is. So we're going to adjust this one first and then adjust the other one so that it's in line with this one. So where is your little panel? There it is. Okay. So we're going to dial it back just a little bit on width. We'll bring it to about there and see what that does for me. Let me just run over here. I don't have to fly. Maybe I do have to fly. Okay. It didn't actually make that much of an... Actually, it doesn't even look like it made any effect at all. Okay, well, let's try that again. I didn't have to, like, click an accept button or something, did I? No. Well, let's go ahead and... What's depth? What's the difference between depth and height? It's not... like I'm adjusting two sides of a square, is it? Hold on. If I reduce this. And then get... Okay. So it's depth I need to be looking at, not width. That's fine. Okay, so no gravity's about here. We're going to increase it a little bit now. It's a bit of trial and error. I want to get this just right, though. Okay. We'll put it right about there. See where that gets us. And... Alright, so we'll just increase it a little bit and then call it good. Yeah, I was very concerned about why I was dying so much in the last episode, and... Oh wait, was I increasing it or decreasing it? Increasing it. Hold on, let's... I think this should about cover it. Yeah, you know what, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. And then how far can I go in this direction? It becomes a 2... Right... Hold on. It becomes a 2 right on the square. So I'm going to need to decrease that one significantly. Now when does it become a 1? Just keep going a little bit. Right here. Okay. Right in... I want to get this just right. Right here. It becomes a 1. So I'm going to need it so that they line up perfectly. I mean, as perfectly as I can get it. So we're going to decrease this one's depth. But we'll just say halfway for now and see where that gets us. And we became 2 right here. Oh, you know what? Hold on. It's rotated differently, which means its depth is not the one I need to be changing. I need to change its width. No doubt. Let's try that and see where that gets us. Theoretically, there should be a little space here where I run into no gravity. Oh, nope, they barely overlap. Okay, they barely overlap. If you're not watching in high definition, you're not going to be able to see the numbers I'm looking at right now. I want to see if I can tweak it just a tiny little bit. And, oh, that may have been a little too far. I went it from 59 to 54. So, oh, that is good. That is actually perfect. Hold on. This is the only space. If I move a tiny bit left or right. That's perfect. Nailed it. Alrighty. So, now that we got all that out of the way, I will not be dying a million times in this episode due to fall damage, but we are going to get these tubes all finished up. So I'm going to see how much I can do here. We'll get all these steel plates off my hands. I'll just finish all these up. Was that the corner piece? No. Alright, we'll get this corner piece. And then we'll need construction parts as it saves. Okay. I need... Okay, so we already did it on these two. Alright, so we got all that out of the way. We're going to go ahead and fill up my inventory with some construction components instead of these plates, which I only have one. How many total am I going to need for each of these? I'm going to need 40 for each of these. I really wish there was a system for selecting groups. Like if I wanted to produce groups of construction components and just tell them how many I want. Oh, repeat mode. Don't even... Ugh, you bastards. Well, at least I figured it out at some point. Is this an info thing new? I don't think I've ever seen this. Convert to ship? Wait. What do you mean? Can I convert a station to a ship now? Is that what there's... I don't know. I don't know what that means. So how many do I need? We've got 1, 2... Wait. Yeah, they all need 40, even the curved one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. Alright, that's not too bad. We'll just see how far we can get here. We got enough for one. This one already has one installed. And they're done. Alright, small steel tubes. Let's see if we have any of those. Small steel tubes. No, of course we don't. How many are we going to need for those? We're going to need 12. Awesome. Repeat mode. I never saw that before. I think they did an update. I think they may have done an update. Because I've never seen this info tab before. In convert to ship, I've never seen anything about that. I don't know. We'll put small steel tubes on there as well. Oh, and it flips back and forth between them. Look at that. That is something else. We're not going to need as many of those, but we'll just let that go for now. Why am I not able to... There we go. I was messing with the screen a little too much there. Alright. Let's see what we can get done here. Alright. That's it for you. Oh, hold on. Alright. Small steel tube. And what's the other two things? A motor and bulletproof glass. Interesting. Motor and bulletproof glass. Not bad. Okay. Why does it need bulletproof glass, I wonder? Do they? Oh, they do have glass. Look at that. I never noticed that. That's kind of cool. I bet you can't actually see things moving through there, even though that would be kind of nice. There we go. Getting all the construction done. I will have no problems with this. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be great. Just continue loading up all my stuff back and forth, back and forth. I should probably get those motors so I can actually get some stuff finished. This will work fine for now. It's got stuff to make anyway. Alright. Yeah. And you still can't build things out of order, which I don't know if that's intentional or if that's just something they need to work on. But I kind of wish I could put down objects out of order. I actually may want to stop with the steel tubes here in a second and start manually telling them how many I want. Okay, wait, hold on. How many construction components do you need? 3. Great. Great. 3 more. No problem. Alright, I'm actually going to start telling you to not build those anymore. Because I don't want them to get backed up, and I don't want to have too many. I'd rather go back to being able to specifically tell it what to build based on what I'm doing. Can I get up here? There we go. Alright, so it looks like... Yeah, it looks like I actually have enough, I think. Maybe. Oh, hold on, my suit energy's low. Better restock. Gotta get all loaded up there. I'm actually surprised how perfectly I was able to get that gravity working. That's nice. It's nice to know why I was dying so much and be able to know that it wasn't just my own stupidity. Oh, must have auto-saved. I'm inclined to actually tell you to stop for a second, because I don't know how many more of these I'm going to need. Alright, so I got all these ones done. Finish you up. And it looks like I'm going to need just a few more here. Actually, you know what? I should know specifically how many more. How many more? Alright, 21 out of 40. We're going to need 19 more. We have 4. So let's get 15. I wasn't talking there because I was counting 15 in my head. Except, why is this number not going down? Oh, god damn it, it's still on repeat. Damn. Okay, hold on. There we go. I think we're good, right? That's what I needed? I hope so. I sure hope so. There we go. And 8 motors for each and bulletproof glass. We don't need that much of that. And of course I have too many small steel tubes. It's great. Put this on repeat. That's bulletproof glass and a motor. Oh my god, those were building very fast. I'm gonna want to sit right here and babysit this one for a second. Not too much. Alright, we'll just see what that gets us. Here, you go back in there. Is there a reason why these two aren't stacked? There we go. Alright. Yeah, we didn't actually need very many bulletproof glass, so we probably have too much of it. We need more motors, but I think... No, we need 4 more bulletproof glass, I think. So, let's see. We'll just do... And let's also do... We'll put it on loop again and ask it to build the motors. We'll just get some of those. Alright, and stop. We'll see how far that gets me. Are we all built? We got one more. Can I get up there, please? Thank you. Alright, are we all good? I think we're all good. We got the lights on. Let's go around the other side and see if we can actually use this thing. Let's grab my stuff. Like these reactor components that I'm not using. Because we have a storage. Which actually, hold on. I'm doing this poorly. I should go in here and see if I can get into the large cargo container. Oh, look at that, it works. That is magnificent. And I didn't even think to look in here for parts either. I don't know what was in here. I don't know if I could have used any of those. But now, we've got this locked down. We got the fort all set up. We got it working. Now I'm actually thinking I probably should have built it in a different location. But you know what? That does not matter. This is going to be our central hub from now on. It actually kind of looks cool. They all look like they're one big component. Like looking at the underside of a car. Which is kind of a weird analogy, but I think it works. It's all complicated, except for these assholes, which will probably end up moving. And then I'll have to... Why am I able to weld that? I don't know, that was weird. So, next, my next goal, I kind of want to be more platform expanding and whatnot. I want to have a whole section outside. I think that would be kind of cool. I'll have to build turrets to defend against the meteorites, because those assholes will come out of nowhere. But when I'm done with that, I just kind of want to keep expanding over in this way. So in the future, we're probably going to see quite a bit of actual, like, putting down blocks. Which actually, I should put a priority on actually just finishing some of these. I know that might be incredibly boring to most of you, so I'll probably end up speeding up the video significantly and just kind of... I don't know. I'll do it on my own time and then just give you guys like the time-lapse version so you guys don't have to watch the whole thing, because I can find that incredibly boring. As well as mining the resources, because holy shit, I'm going to need a ton of iron. So anyway, I'll see you guys next time.